Hi, first graders. Let's solve another story problem together. Today we're going to talk about a story problem about Rosa and flowers. So, Rosa has 14 flowers. Kim gives her 8 more flowers. How many flowers does Rosa have now? Now, I already put my EPS, so I have all the parts to show my work. I'm going to read it again and think about the equation. Rosa has 14 flowers. In the equation part, I'm going to put 14. I know she has 14 flowers. Now let's think about what happens next. Kim gives her 8 more flowers. It says more, she gets 8 more. That means the number's getting bigger. The number's getting bigger, we're adding and putting them together. So Rosa has 14 flowers and Kim gives her 8 more flowers. I'm going to add 8 to 14. How many flowers does Rosa have now? That's what we're going to figure out. Our answer is going to go right here. Now, I'm going to solve it 2 ways to show you 2 different ways you could think about it. I'm trying to put together 14 plus 8. The first way I'm going to think about it is what we practiced last week, when I can break up numbers to make them easier. If I have 14 and I want to add 8, I could practice getting to the next 10. I know that 4 and 6 make 10. So if I was to add 6, I would get to the next 10. Now I know this number 8. If I had 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I took 6 out of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would have 2 left because 8 plus 2 equals 6. So look here. I took this 8 and I broke it up into 6 and 2. Now I'm going to put the 14 and the 6 together. I know it's going to make the next 10 because 4 and 6 make 10. I know 14 plus 6 is 20. I made that easy for myself. Now I just have 20 and 2 to add. 20 and 2 together equals 22. Now I'm going to show you another way you might want to solve it. You could also just put one number in your head and count on. I like to put the bigger number in my head, so I have to count on less. So look, we can put 14 in our head and count on 8. You show me what 8 would look like. Show me 8 on your fingers. I need to make sure I count on this many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to count on 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I got the same answer both times. You could solve it both ways. You could find the next 10 or you could count on. Both of these ways work. Now we can't forget to add our sentence so we've answered the question. The question is, how many flowers does Rosa have now? Rosa has 22 flowers. You're going to solve a story problem just like this, first graders. You could solve it by counting on or making the next 10.